Let's imagine you're about to start a new urban project. Where would be the first place you went to get an idea of the site? You might be thinking Google Maps or Google Earth. At least that was my first thought when I worked in architecture. They've got nice building masses and facade imagery, and you do get a really good idea of the character of the space. But where do you go when you actually need to use that information? The data you need to make decisions about massing, zoning, or infrastructure planning can often be quite elusive or locked away into formats that you can't use or don't have access to. Often it's a choice then between outdated, incomplete data from the likes of OpenStreetMap or prohibitively expensive manual drone scans, which can then take days to be converted into something you can actually use. If any of this sounds familiar, you might want to stay tuned to learn how we've built a tool that combines the best available data with formats that you can actually use. It's a self-service tool that allows you to choose exactly which data layers you want and exactly which areas you're interested in. You can then export it in no more than a couple of minutes in a format that's native to the software that you already use. Before I show you how it works, here's a bit of context. Cityweft covers over 200 countries with real building geometry, not flat boxes, actual roof forms and structures, built for teams working at scale across dozens of sites simultaneously. So let's get into it. Here's Cityweft. It's self-service by design, so you can get what you need all by yourself without having to chase any middlemen or wait days for manual work to be done. All you need to do is select an area like this and then hit preview. I'll let this load in real time so you can get an idea of how quick it is and also see this animation, which I'm personally a big fan of. These previews are totally free to do, so you can see the data you'll be buying before you're committing to anything. Now that everything's loaded, you can choose which data layers you need, from building datasets to tree detail level, even down to bus stops and terrain imagery. If you only need massing for an early stage feasibility study, you can keep it light. Or if you're maybe working on an infrastructure project, turning on bus stops, benches and accurate tree placements might really inform your work. This flexibility is built in intentionally to help you tailor the model to your exact project and the design stage that you're in. Not every project needs every data layer, and we want to give you the flexibility to work with only what you really need. Now, before we export, let's compare this model to the Google Earth version of the same site. The one that would give you a good impression of the site, but isn't really anything you can export. This is the same idea, but now it's real geometry, and you can see here that we're capturing pretty much everything Google Maps shows you. So this is the intelligence that you already trust the look of, but now it's usable. By bringing in this from our platform into your own tools, it can help inform massing, shadow studies, or infrastructure planning. So now let's export. I'll set a timer now so you can see how quick it really is. Starting now, when I hit export. First I'll pick the format I'm interested in, and in this case I'll take a Rhino model as I'm going to work with Grasshopper later on. Now let's let it generate. And that's it. Your model generated in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. For something that could take days when done manually, I reckon this is pretty good. Now all I need to do is open the file. You'll see the same approach across all of our models, no matter what software you're bringing it into. We use editable components, and it's built the same way that you would have done if you built it yourself, and organised nicely into layers that you can turn off, or group, or do whatever you need with. I don't know about you, but I know if I'd built this myself, the layers wouldn't make this much sense. And that's Cityweft. It's the fastest way to get accurate site data in the format that you already work with. Previewing a site is completely free, so try it on your next project and see for yourself how fast this is. Next time, I'll be looking a bit more closely at how our Rhino models work and what's included. We'll be exploring things like metadata, smooth terrain and objects, and if that's something you'd like to learn more about,